Hello everyone, so today we'll see how we can install Chrome or Edge extension to Safari. Suppose I'm searching for this extension, Dark Reader extension. I'm going to this. Suppose this is I want to install. If I'll install it via App Store, I will have to pay 500 rupees. So an easy option will be quit this, install it in your Edge or Chrome browser, any Chromium based browser. So you can install it directly here. It is installed now. We can verify via going to website. For example, we can go to MacOS. So we can go to the site and see it is working. So now what we have to do, click here. We have to go to the manage extension. We have to check this developer options so that we can see the ID here. Okay, we have to copy it and pasting it here. And what else we have to do is Edge version. If we put Edge version, we'll find that our profile path is here. Okay, so the only requirement for this to work is Xcode. You can search online how to install Xcode, and then what you can do is you can open terminal. I'm using item, and you can run xcrun Safari web extension converter, and you can paste this path. We can see this is the path where extension is installed. We can open item, we can write xcrun Safari web extension converter in the path, and then we can provide this ID, which is EI, and we can check this is the same. Then we can provide the version for we can just press tab and it will work. Okay, this is the version, then you can hit enter. So it will open the Xcode. You have to go to this stock reader page. You have to go to sign in and capabilities, and you have to select your personal team or any other team if you have. Now you can go to product and check whether macOS is selected. Destination is your Mac, and you can create archive. It will run the task, it will build it. You can click to distribute the app, custom, and copy to your file. I'm just renaming it as a stock reader. Enter. Now it is working fine. Now we can close this Xcode. We can close our item. We can close stickies. And we can close our browser also, Edge browser. Now if we go to the path, it will open Safari, and we'll just open where we have saved it. We have saved it as Spark Reader here. I'll just highlight it also as an archive. Then we can go to setting, developer, allow.